person invested $5,000 in two savings accounts. One account gives us 5% interest, and the other gives us 9% interest. So we're supposed to find the amount placed in each account, and they want us to use interest equals principal times rate times time. A whole bunch of information in there. So let's just start trying to make an equation for that first account. Okay. The interest that we get for that first account. Well, actually, let's not make. Let's how much money do we have? We'll call y. Find our variables down here. Y is the amount of money let's do X is the amount of money in the first account. Y is the amount of money in the second account. There's two accounts. They're putting money in account A and in account B. And if we add those together, the money in account A plus the money in account B, that should make $5,000 because they said that's the total amount that's being invested. They got a total of $370 in interest. So that means if we take 5%, 0.05 as a decimal, of the money that we invested in the first account, if you take 0.05 and multiply that by the amount that goes into that first account, this tells you the amount of interest you get for the first account. And then this tells you the amount of interest you get into the second account. And they said the total interest was $370. And now I've got two equations. Now we can solve. Okay. I screwed up the order here. We can just switch those around because the order you add in doesn't matter. X plus Y equals 5,000. So what we can do is we can multiply this by negative 0.05, or you could have multiplied it by negative 0.09. I'm just trying to make it so that I can cancel out using the addition method. And this is going to become a subtract now. 0.05 y equals now negative 0.05 times 5,000. That's negative 250. I dropped the negative when I typed it in. Okay, and now the two equations right here, we rearrange this one. The two equations are set up for the addition method. If you add them together, you get 0.04y equals 370 plus negative 250 makes 120. Divide both sides by 0.04. So we get 3,000. 3,000 went into the second account. So that means 2,000 must have been in the first account because it was $5,000 total.